Why do flipper flappers cost you money? Hey folks, let's talk about one small mistake that can lead to very costly redo. The other day I got a turf 911 call from an installer who was panicking about a large amount of glue he had applied to the seaming tape, which once cured, seeped up through the seam line, stuck all over the fibers, and destroyed his installation. I asked him what he used to spread the adhesive with, and he said a flipper flapper. JW here. Today we're going to discuss a common issue I've seen more often than I'd like. Installers using what's jokingly called the flipper flapper to apply turf adhesive. You know, those sections of a cardboard box that they cut and use the flipper flapper to put the glue down with. I've noticed installers waiting until the last minute, grabbing anything they can to spread the glue when seaming two sections of synthetic turf together. And here's the reality. The flipper flapper doesn't apply adhesive evenly or at the right thickness. It spreads inconsistently, provides zero control over how much adhesive is applied, especially when it's too thick. This can become a disaster when it expands, seeps up through your seams, and destroys your installation. If you're in the turf biz, you need to understand that moisture cure urethane adhesives expand as they cure, especially in humid conditions. Most turf adhesives double in size when cured, especially without compression. Additionally, if your subbase is freshly compacted and still retains moisture, that additional moisture may absorb into the adhesive, causing expansion that could damage your installations, especially on 100% surface glue down. Every turf adhesive manufacturer has thickness specifications to follow when applying adhesive. This means you will need to purchase a notch trowel, plain and simple. An 1/8" notch trowel is usually recommended for turf adhesive applications, along with compression. The notches control the amount of glue applied, ensuring it's spread evenly and thinly enough to prevent havoc. These tools aren't expensive. Most hardware stores carry throwaway notch trowels for less than $5. That small investment will save your installation, your time, and your client relationship. Thanks for watching. I'm JW, and I'll see you next time.